Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I am going to show you how to download XAMPP local server. Search XAMPP, open official website. I am a Windows user, so I click on XAMPP for Windows. This is a 64-bit version. You can also download XAMPP 32-bit from xampguide.com. Okay, click on this button. My downloading is start. After it completes, then I will show you how to install it. Okay, my downloading is complete. Then click on the XAMPP installer. Click on yes. Okay, click on yes again. Then click on next. We only need Apache, MySQL and PHP MyAdmin. Okay, then click on next. I already have one installation in C drive, so I move to my D folder. I created a folder XAMPP. Select this folder and click on next. Okay, my installation is complete. Then I click on finish.